Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So in this video I'm going to show you the bullish and bearish scenario. A lot of people have asked again for the bearish one. Very important to understand. Yeah, my primary expectation is that Bitcoin can do the breakout, and the bearish one is of course still possible. Yeah, I mentioned in previous videos a 60% probability for a breakout and a 40% probability for still having a lower low below 17.6k. And that just visualize, I think, or gives you the impression that, yeah, you know, a lower low is still possible. I'm not telling you that with 100% probability we are going to go up from here, but at some point probabilities need to shift. Probabilities did shift when we moved above the 23k, 23.3k area. Yeah, and also because some altcoins are really kicking off here. Yeah. So that's at the moment all fine. Yeah, there is still a significant downside risk. But overall, yeah, the Elliott Wave count at the moment suggests we could be on our way up. We had here a wave 1, we had a wave 2, and we are now, in my opinion, in the wave 3. That should end in this green target area. We've come closer and closer. We're not there yet. Target for that would be between 25.7 and 27.3k. Made you aware yesterday that a pullback is coming, incoming, yeah, which was here. Pretty much exactly at around 25k I made that video and told you we can expect a pullback, possibly below 22.9k. This is exactly where we currently are. Now we want to understand in this video, when can we expect to move up again? What are the possibilities here in the bullish scenario? Very clearly in the bullish scenario, even if we go a little bit lower, it would not affect the bullish scenario negatively. Yeah, even if we go a bit lower, really we can count this all bullish until we go below 18.9k. That is unfortunately the nature of the structure here. But where are we? So first of all, based on my primary Elliott Wave count here, we've done a wave 1 in yellow. Here on the 19th of July, we've come down in a wave 2 in yellow. We'd now be in this wave 3. So it's a wave 3 of a wave 3. Shows you that if this is really going to play out, some of these wave 3s need to be higher, because it is a very bullish structure, yeah, with all of these 1-2 setups followed by a wave 3. And in this wave 3, it is likely we've done a wave 1, we are now in the wave 2, maybe that's already complete, okay? But we currently don't have any evidence for that. And then the next one would be a wave 3 here to the upside in white, okay? Target again would be in the green box. So it would suggest that we've done here the A, the B, and we are now heading down in the C, and the wave C might be complete. So let's take a look at a target for the wave C based on the length of the wave A. That is one target that we can use to determine if wave C is finished. Now we've reached the 1.786 FIB extension. It has already done more than it actually needs to do. An ideal level would have been the 1.618 extension. You can see we had a reaction here. Going a bit lower is fine, yeah. It can go low, it can go longer, that wave 2, that wave C. But based on that target, we've already done what we need to do. Now, the other target would be if we take the Fibonacci retracements. We start from the beginning of the wave 1 to the top of the wave 1, and we look at Fibonacci retracements. Now, an ideal level to find support is the 22.4k level, 22,422, the 61.8% FIB level. Now, we found a support a little bit higher at 22,458, basically at this ascending trend line. So there's of course a level where, where you can expect some support, and it might, you know, we might have a chance to move up from here. As you can see on the wave count, there's a chance the wave C is now done, the wave 2 is done, and we start up in a wave 3. Again, best evidence for that really would be a move above the wave 1 high at 23.8. But if we do that, there's a good chance we get above 25.7. Yeah, chances increased above 23.1k, above this swing high here. That is one possibility. If we, however, drop below that 22.4k level, yeah, there is a chance that we have to count this differently. But again, wouldn't be a problem, would just mean a deeper pullback. That would be then in a situation where we would have to count all of this move up as a wave 1, the entire wave up. That would again on the flip side mean a much higher wave 3. But it would suggest that we have to start doing the fibs from down here, going all the way to the top. Looking at the Fibonacci retracements possibly all the way down to 20.9k, the 61.8% fib level. It could go lower, as I said. It could theoretically go to 18.9k. That is again the structure of this chart, but it shouldn't really, and that is the absolute maximum I would give this wave to. It shouldn't go really below 19.5. So below 19.5k, the probabilities for the bearish scenario significantly increase. Okay. But again, in this first scenario that I've just shown you, which is the slightly more short-term, more bullish one, we need to hold here the 21.6k, that wave too low. If we lose that, then we are in the other scenario. And this is really what I'm currently looking at. Again, best indication that the wave 3 to the upside has started would be a move above 23.8k, that wave 1 high. Yeah, so for now, it's really crucial to, first of all, ideally, yeah, you want to hold this ascending trend line. If we lose that, we want to hold the 22.4k level. If we lose that, we want to hold the 21.6k level. And if we lose that, we can expect a larger pullback all the way down to these levels I just indicated. Now, this is the bullish scenario. And in all of these scenarios, I would expect a move up either now, yeah, or after another deeper pullback. Now, the bearish scenario is still possible, less likely in my opinion now, but still possible. This WXYXZ pattern, and we could now be here. Well, we could have had the reversal now here. Again, very good indication that this is playing out would be a move here below. Yeah, you know, we're looking at here this wave below at 20.45k, but really probabilities increase. Probabilities increase massively that this is the wave count for the bears below 19.5k, below the 88.7% fib level. That will go up significantly, and it could be we've done the wave 1 now, just now maybe. Yeah, we can count 5 waves down here, and then there could be a wave 2 coming now, and then we would move down on the wave 3. We won't really know that until we break below the wave X low. It is what it is. Yeah, below 19k pretty much. Okay, and that's currently what we can look at here. Primarily still bullish. Question is how quickly can now this recovery, reversal finish, and we continue the move to the upside. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.